want to keep your internet browsing more private and secure? Let's go through how to set up a VPN on your iPhone in just a few steps. Before we start, hit subscribe so you don't miss more simple iPhone tips like this. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap General. Step 3. Tap VPN and Device Management. Step 4. Tap Add VPN Configuration. Step 5. Choose the type of VPN your provider uses like ICAV2, IPCE or L2TP. Step 6. Fill in the server remote ID, username and password. These details will come from your VPN provider. Step 7. When done, tap Done in the top right. To connect, just toggle on the VPN switch in Settings. And that's it. Your VPN is ready to help keep your connection more secure. Hit subscribe for more quick iPhone privacy and security tips.